Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by connecting your guitar through an audio interface or USB cable and opening Garageband. Choose a fresh project and add an audio track. Once done, select the correct input channel and enable monitoring so you can hear latency while you play. Make sure to set the input gain on the interface so signal peaks sit around -6 dB. This prevents clipping while retaining headroom. Finally, choose a simple amp preset to hear tone without excessive effects while you record. You'll now dial levels and prepare to capture a clean take. Record a short test run and watch the waveform for clipping. Once done, enable cycle mode if you need to rehearse and punch in sections repeatedly, and set the metronome to match your song tempo so timing stays tight. Make sure to switch GarageBand to low latency or disable heavy plugins while tracking, because that reduces delay between your playing and what you hear and helps you perform more naturally. You'll finish by comping the best sections. Listen through takes, split regions, and assemble a single clean track. Once done, perform light corrective EQ and gentle compression to glue the performance, then bounce a mix using File Export Song to Disk. Choose WAV or AIF for best quality. If you encounter latency, noise, or dropouts, make sure to increase buffer size slightly, update interface drivers, check cable connections and grounding, and try a different USB port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.